Namaste Gurukulians. I hope you all are fit and fine. I am Atul and today I will continue the current chapter, that is mathematical tools. Up to now you have studied about binomial theorem, quadratic equation, differentiation and integration. And on the basis of differentiation and integration I have given an assignment and today I will discuss it. After that I will go on the further topics of mathematical tools. Okay students, look at question number first. Solve the equation 6x square minus 13x plus 6 equal to 0. With the help of simple rule of quadratic equation, you can solve it. Clear? Okay, question number second. Find dy upon dx for the following functions. Okay, look at first. Y equal to 1 by x. So differentiation of 1 by x, you know that it can be written as x power minus 1. So it is in the form of x ki power n. So dy upon dx, you can write it as minus 1 into x n minus 1, n value minus 1 hai, then minus 1, n minus 1, then it will become minus x ki power minus 2. You can write it as in denominator like x square. So answer will be minus 1 by x square. Clear? Okay. Second ka B, y equal to 1 by x square. Again we can write it as x ki power minus 2. So it will be in the form of x raised to power n. So you can solve it easily. Okay. Second part C. Y is equal to x plus under root x plus 1 by under root x. So it can be written as y equal to x plus x raised to power 1 by 2 plus, okay, x raised to power 1 by 2, it is in the denominator. So when it will come in the numerator, it will become x raised to power 1 by minus 1 by 2. So further x raised, it is in the form of x ki power n, because here x ki power 1, x raised to power 1 by 2, x raised to power minus 1 by 2. So simply by differentiating it, we can conclude the result. Okay, students, question number second, D part. Look. In the given question, y equal to 3x square plus 7 into 6x plus 3. So it is in the form of u into v. And how to differentiate it? dy upon dx. U as it is 3x square plus 7. Differentiation of 6x plus 3 plus v as it is differentiation of u, v as it is differentiation of u, 3x square plus 7. So 3x square plus 7 into, okay, differentiation of 6x plus 3, differentiation of 6x, it will be 6 because differentiation of cx is equal to c. So here it is in the form of cx, so differentiation will be equal to c, that is 6 plus differentiation of constant term is equal to 0. So it is like as 0 plus 6x plus 3 differentiation of 3x square plus 7. So 3x square का differentiation क्या होगा? Look like this, constant term will get outside. So differentiation of x square, x की power 2. So it is in the form of x raised to power n. So when you will calculate it, it will come out to be 2x. So 3 into 2x, it will be 6x. So differentiation of 3x square will be equal to 6x plus differentiation of 7 will be equal to 0. So it will come out 3x square plus 7 into 6 plus 6x plus 3 into 6x. So by solving further, you can take out the result. When you will multiply this and multiply this, then by adding you will get the result which is given in the assignment. So student, now second question part E, y equal to 4x square minus 7 under root. Up to now clear? Look, E part. Y equal to under root 4x square minus 7. Okay students, I have told earlier that y equal to x square minus 7 power half can be written. Okay, in the previous video I have taught about it, that how to differentiate it. Firstly I will solve the power, then after I will take the differentiation of 4x square minus 7 also. अच्छा, इसका another method भी है which can you use, like if you write it as y equal to s power 1 by 2, let 4x square minus 7 is equal to s, so it can be written as s power 1 by 2. Now differentiation of this term with respect to s. First of all we will solve the power 1 by 2 s 1 by 2 minus 1. After that देखेंगे यहाँ पर s is a function of x, so ds upon dx. If you put the value dy upon dx will become 1 by 2 s value 4x square minus 7 power minus 1 by 2 and differentiation of s 4x square minus 7. Now it will become 1 by 2 4x square minus 7 minus 1 by 2. Now differentiation of 4x square minus 7 देखेंगे, डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ 4x स्क्वायर कितना आएगा 8x, क्योंकि ऐसा ही क्वेश्चन हम पीछे कर चुके हैं 3x स्क्वायर का, 2 इंटू 3 6x, तो 2 इंटू 4 8x माइनस differentiation of 7 will be 0, so it will become 1 by 2 4x square minus 7 power minus 1 by 2, so it can be written in denominator. So final expression will become 8x into 1 by 2 divided by 4x square minus 7 power 1 by 2. So 2 4 ja 8, so 4x divided by under root 4x square minus 7. So it is a final result. Okay, in this problem 4x square minus 7 power 1 by 2 is given to you. एक्चुअली यहां पर जो कंटेंट आपको दिया गया है, इट इज आल्सो फंक्शन ऑफ एक्स. इफ यू अज्यूम इट एज एस, it can be written as s power 1 by 2. So differentiation we can do like it, 1 by 2 x की power 1 by 2 minus 1. S is also function of x. So after that we have to differentiate s also. Clear? Okay student, now second part f. y equal to sin 3x. देखेंगे dy upon dx. In the previous video I have told, first of all you will do the derivative of sin, then after you have to do the derivative of 3x also. So first of all sin का derivative cos, after that differentiation of 3x also. Clear? So it will become 3x का derivative 3, तो 3 cos 3x. Clear? Okay, now if you look at the g part, y equal to cos 2x plus 1. देखिए हमारे पास जो sin x होता है उसका डेरिवेटिव cos x है, cos x का माइनस sin x है, लेकिन यहाँ पर x के साथ 3 भी है. यहाँ पर इन प्लेस ऑफ x वी हैव गिवन 2x plus 1. सो द न्यूमेरिकल्स लाइक दिस इफ गिवन टू यू, देन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, फर्स्टली यू हैव टू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ द टर्म लाइक कोस है यहाँ पर, तो क्या बन जाएगा साइन dy अपॉन dx, इट विल बिकम कोस का माइनस साइन like this. Then after you have to do the derivative of 2x plus 1 also. So derivative of 2x plus 1. So it will become derivative of 2x will be equal to 2, derivative of 1 will be equal to 0. 2 plus 0. So final result will be equal to minus 2 sin 2x plus 1. Clear student? Okay. The question number H you can skip now because such type of question you will not in the physics. You will do such type of question in the mathematics. Clear? Okay student, now question number 3rd. Very important question in the view of physics. Look, if the displacement is given as s is equal to 2t power 3 minus 3t square plus 2t plus 2, how to differentiate it? देखेंगे, you have to find the position, velocity and acceleration at t equal to 2 seconds. At t equal to 2 seconds, position, velocity and acceleration. Okay, S represent the position in term of time t. So simply how to find the position? By putting t equal to 2 in given expression. So it will become S at t equal to 2 power 3 minus 3 2 power 2 plus 2 into 2 plus 2. So it will become 2 power 3 8, 8 2 ja 16 minus 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12 plus 2 2 ja 4 plus 2. It will become 4 plus 4 plus 2, 10. Clear? If it is in the given in the meter, then you have to write 10 meter. Okay students, now find velocity at t equal to 2 seconds. Look, we know that velocity at any instant is equal to dx upon dt. So here we will write s. So by differentiating it with respect to t, I will find the velocity. Okay, s equal to 2t power 3 minus 3t square plus 2t plus 2. Okay, ds upon dt, that is v equal to 2, देखेंगे 2t पावर 3. जब भी मैं डिफरेंशिएशन करता हूं जिसमें कांस्टेंट इनटू वेरिएबल टर्म है तो कांस्टेंट तो बाहर आ जाता है, ओनली वी हैव टू डिफरेंशिएट t रेज टू पावर 3. तो t की पावर n 3t 3 minus 1, it means 3t square. So it will become 3t square minus 3 as it is, t square का डेरिवेटिव 2t प्लस 2 as it is, t का डेरिवेटिव 1, 2 का डेरिवेटिव 0. So it will become 6t square minus 6t plus 2. We have to find velocity at t equal to 2 seconds. So what we have to do? We have to put t equal to 2 in the given expression. So it will become 6 into 2 square minus 6 into 2 plus 2. 2 2 ja 4, 4 6 ja 24. Minus 12 plus 2. It will become 14. Student, again I will tell about the differentiation of this term जिसमें कांस्टेंट भी है वेरिएबल भी है. फॉर एग्जांपल 3t स्क्वायर है, यू हैव टू डिफरेंशिएट इट. 3 आउटसाइड, तो डिफरेंशिएशन किसका बच गया? t स्क्वायर का. तो t स्क्वायर t की पावर n, 2 आगे आ जाएगा, t की पावर 2 minus 1. क्लियर? सो इट विल बिकम 6t. Clear? Okay. Answer we have got for the velocity. Now, for acceleration at t equal to 2 seconds. Look, we know a equal to dv upon dt. v value is equal to 6t square minus 6t plus 2. So a will equal to dv upon dt. देखेंगे 6 as it is, t स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव 2t. क्लियर? तो 6 इंटू 2t माइनस 6t का डेरिवेटिव, 6 as it is, t का डेरिवेटिव 1, 2 का डेरिवेटिव 0. So it will be equal to 12t minus 6. At t equal to 2 seconds, a will become 12 into 2 minus 6. 12 to 24 minus 6, that is 18. So in this way, with the help of position, we can calculate velocity, we can calculate acceleration. Clear? Okay. Students, now question number 4. इस क्वेश्चन में आपको थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है बिकॉज नो स्टेटमेंट, नो एक्सप्रेशन इज गिवन टू यू. अ बैलून इज बीइंग फिल्ड बाय एयर सो दैट इट्स वॉल्यूम v is gradually increasing. Find the rate of volume, increase of volume with radius r when r is equal to 2 units. Only he has talked about units. It can be meter, it can be centimeter. So students, I hope that you have understood this question. Okay, now question number 4. In this, volume is gradually increasing, so we can write volume of balloon as 4/3 pi r cube, because the balloon is in the form of shell. और स्फीयर का जो वॉल्यूम होता है वो होता है 4/3 pi r cube. So find the rate of increase of volume with respect to r. So with respect to r we have to find. It means we have to do the derivative of v with respect to r. It will give the rate of change of volume with respect to r. So 4/3 pi constant है as it is. r cube का डेरिवेटिव 3r square. So it will become 4 pi r square. Clear? And at r equal to 2 units, you have to find rate of increase of volume. So you have to find dv upon dr at r equal to 2 units. So dv upon dr will become 4 pi 2 का square, 4 into 4 16 pi. Clear? Okay, in this question he is asking about increase of v with respect to r. Here we have positive sign. Clear? r square तो पॉजिटिव होता ही है, 4 pi भी पॉजिटिव होता है. जैसे जैसे r बढ़ेगा, in the same way dv upon dr will get increase. Okay students, now question number 5th, integrate the following. I hope you have noted down. Now, 5th question, integrate the following. So first we have integration of 6x plus 5x square minus 2x cube plus 1/x square integration we have to perform on it. Okay, now it can be written as integration of 6x dx plus 5x square dx minus 2x cube dx plus 1/x square है, तो इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं, x की पावर -2. क्लियर? मैंने क्या किया, सिंपल इंटीग्रेशन को खोल लिया है. क्लियर? ओके, नाउ इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ cx, तो कांस्टेंट टर्म बाहर आ जाएगी और इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ x dx माइनस कांस्टेंट टर्म आउटसाइड, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ x स्क्वायर कांस्टेंट टर्म आउटसाइड प्लस. क्लियर? नाउ 6 इंटू एक्स की पावर 1, so x की पावर 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1, because the integration of x raised to power n is equal to x raised to power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus 5 x square है, so it will become x power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 minus 2, it will become x power 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 plus x power minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1. So you can write it as 6x square upon 2 plus 5x cube upon 3 minus 2x power 4 upon 4 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1, तो minus x की power minus 1. At the last we can write it as 3x square plus 5/3 x cube minus 1/2 x power 4 minus 1/x. So students, In this way you have to solve the integration. Okay, part B. Now integration of under root x within the limits 1 to 4. So it is a case of definite integral. Okay, it can be written as x raised to power 1 by 2. So we will write it as 1 4 x raised to power 1 by 2 dx. So integration of x की power n, x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Clear? Limit 1 to 4 equal to x power 3 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 2, 3 by 2 2 ऊपर चला जाएगा, it will become 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2. Limit from 1 to 4. देखेंगे 2 by 3 we can take it as common, inside will be x power x power 3 by 2 1 to 4. Okay, now 2 by 3, first of all we will put 4 in place of x minus now 1 power 3 by 2. So it will become 2 by 3 4 power 3 by 2. Clear? So further you can solve it. X power 1 by 2 is 1. Okay, clear? Okay, now part C. Integration of cos x, limit is from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ कोस एक्स, साइन का जो डेरिवेटिव होता है वो कोस एक्स होता है, तो कोस एक्स का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा, साइन एक्स. साइन एक्स लिमिट है माइनस पाई बाय 2 टू पाई बाय 2. So it will become, first of all we will put pi by 2 in place of x, sin pi by 2, then minus, then minus pi by 2 in place of x, sin 91 minus sin minus pi by 2, sin minus 90 होता है minus 1, तो minus 1 into minus 1, it will become plus 1, तो आंसर will be 2. Clear students? Now you can note it down. Okay students, in the last question C it is minus 1, so further you can solve it. Okay, D part, integration of 1 by x dx limited 2 to 3. No, 5 minutes. Okay, D, 1 by x dx limit 2 to 3. Clear? Okay, integration of 1 by x you have to calculate here. log x का जो डेरिवेटिव होता है वो 1 by x होता है, तो 1 by x का जो इंटीग्रेशन आएगा वो आएगा log x 2 to Okay, up to now you can skip here because when I will teach the properties of log, then you can solve it. Clear? So I will keep at the hold. Okay, question number 5th part E. It is 1 by V dV V1 to V2. Again, it is in the form of 1 by x. So integration will be log V, लिमिट है V1 to V2. So simply in place of V we will put V2 minus in place of V now we will put V1. Clear? Okay, after this assignment I will teach the logarithm. In that I will talk about one property of log, that log A minus log B can be written as log A over B. इन दिस क्वेश्चन मैंने यहां तक ही क्यों रखा, क्योंकि यहां पर वैल्यू गिवन है 3 2, तो log 3 माइनस log 2 आता. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई राइट इट एज log 3 माइनस log 2, it can be also written as log 3 by 2, and values I will tell further how to calculate log 3 by 2. Clear? Okay, question number 5th का F part. स्टूडेंट्स 1 बाय एक्स 1 बाय वी, यहाँ पर हमने log की टर्म में एक्सप्रेशन निकाल लिया है. मैं अभी भी कह रहा हूँ कि इन द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक आई विल टीच अबाउट द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ log, हाउ टू कैलकुलेट log. So in that column you will understand how to calculate the values. Up to now only you should remember that log x limit from 2 to 3, we can write it as log 3 minus log 2. Log a minus log b can be written as log a over b. Okay, F part. Okay, this is the last part which I will tell here. Integration from minus L by 2 plus L by 2. M by L x squared dx. M and L both are constant terms, so we can take it as common. या outside. M by L outside, integration of x square dx minus L by 2 to plus L by 2. हमें करना है क्या अब? M by L as it is, x square का जो इंटीग्रेशन आएगा वो आएगा x पावर 2 plus 1 डिवाइड बाय 2 plus 1. क्लियर है ये x स्क्वायर का इंटीग्रेशन. लिमिट है माइनस L by 2 टू प्लस L by 2. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, M by L इसको लिख सकते हैं x क्यूब डिवाइड बाय 3 है, इसको मैं बाहर ले आता हूं लाइक दिस. सो लिमिट माइनस L by 2 टू प्लस L by 2. अब आपको करना क्या है? इन प्लेस ऑफ x यू विल प्लेस L by 2 देन माइनस L by 2. L by 2 क्यूब माइनस L by 2 क्यूब. देखेंगे इन प्लेस ऑफ x यू विल पुट L by 2 देन माइनस साइन, देन लोअर लिमिट यू हैव टू पुट. So it will become m by 3l l by 2 का क्यूब l क्यूब ओवर 8 माइनस l by 2 का क्यूब माइनस l की पावर 3 माइनस l क्यूब डिवाइड बाय 2 का क्यूब 8. सो माइनस L क्यूब बाय 8. इट विल बिकम m by 3l, ये प्लस हो जाएगा तो 2l क्यूब ओवर 8 वी कैन राइट. ओके नाउ l से जब l क्यूब जाएगा तो इट विल बिकम l स्क्वायर, 2 4 जा 8 then it will remain ml square divided by 12. So students, in this assignment I have discussed all the problems of quadratic differentiation and integration, how to perform it. And students, in the next video you will teach about the logarithm and the graph. So for today it is sufficient. So now what you have to do, you have to do this assignment again, because these things are newly for you and these are not easy that within one time or two times you will get understand it. First of all, you have to look at differentiation integration very carefully. You should find out the problems, find out the answers of the problem by yourself. So students, have a nice day. Thank you.